Oh, hey guys, what's up? If you saw my last video about my Amazon finds, you would know why can I not do this in a straight line? You would know that I bought my shark and it has finally arrived and we're gonna unbox it together. I'm gonna unbox and do a demo.
So the one I purchased was a navy and it's on sale for $159. I'll put it down below if you would like to purchase it. And the affiliate, I do get commission, so thank you in advance.
Yes, supervisor. Yes. Oh, this thing has a 5-year warranty? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Do you need to do tummy time? I am so excited for this vacuum. I have always wanted me a nice vacuum whenever I lived on my own. And rightfully so, because our floors get dirty fast, okay? Foot traffic is terrible because, I don't know, you just track a lot of dirt in here, like, yes? We swept and mopped in here, bless you. We swept and mopped in here and the floor already feels disgusting. It feels terrible and it's only been a week. So I think this is great already, just off the strength of, if I can be honest with you, sweeping is not fun for me, but vacuuming is. I love the crinkle. I love the sound. It does it for me. So hopefully we're not breaking things. Woo! There's like a lot in here. I don't know. Put that in this lovely box. And just locked in place. This is the base. Okay. Needs to be attached to this piece. Until it clicks. Aha. Okay. And then this is clicked. Yes, Papa. You and put this together. I digress. Whatever. Okay. We've got things connected. And then this is a crevice tool. I'm so excited. Can you not tell? Ah. Okay. All right. Tools on them, I think. Yeah. It has swivel steering. It's great for pets. I can't do this and hold you at the same time. Lord. So this goes here to do hands-free and also like to clean the upholstery. Yeah. And then this one also does the nozzle thing. So that's what that's for. Oh, all right. Okay, so the it's off, bare floor, and then brush roll. I guess the brush roll is for the carpet. Yes. That's what I missed. Oh, I was supposed to put this on. Y'all hear that crinkle? This is exciting. It is heavy, so girl, if you was trying to do an arm workout, that's gonna be it. But I heard the sounds that I wanted to hear, and I just can't wait to vacuum. So yeah. How much dirt already? The floors.